Python programming language. User input. Learn to effectively capture, validate, and process user input in Python. The input function in Python is used to capture user input from the console. It reads the input as a string, making it crucial for creating interactive applications. Input captured as a string can be converted to other data types like integers or floats using conversion functions. This is important for processing numerical data. Validating user input involves checking it against specific criteria to ensure data integrity. This step helps prevent errors during data processing. Exception handling with try-except blocks is used to manage errors from invalid input. This technique helps maintain program stability by catching and addressing errors. Designing clear and informative user prompts is essential for guiding user input effectively. Well-crafted prompts enhance user interaction and input accuracy. Thank you for your time. You can find the content, examples, and our contacts in the video description. If you like this, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. We create video series for product, brand, and tech promotions. Feel free to reach out.